Hello everyone, am I audible? Hi, hello. 2 minutes, man. Okay. Hello, hello. Good evening, all of you. Am I audible? Yes. Why no one is there today? I don't understand. Was it scheduled? Have you all got the link? Everything have you got? Guys, have you all got the link? Proper link, everything have you got it? Yes. Fine. Yeah, what is this today? I think everything is. I'm really getting. Even I'm also getting confused. Huh? Link illiya? Okay. Sorry, guys. First they sent my lecturer memo city link. Sorry. Today I think. Fine. It's okay. Again, same. Even I'm. Okay. Yes. Sorry, guys. Let us start now. Okay. Fine. Are you all ready? Okay. Okay. Let us start now one by one. First question. Today we'll complete maths. Okay. Today we'll complete maths. Okay. Tomorrow we'll be completing stats and logical reasoning together. Okay. Today we'll complete maths. Yes. Yeah. I got it, man. I got it. Thank you. Today we are going to complete mathematics. Tomorrow we'll be doing logical reasoning and the statistics. Okay. Yeah. So don't wait for the messages and all. You join our channel. Okay. Join our channel directly. Fine. Tomorrow we will have it. Now, the ratio of income of A and B is 5:4 and their expenditure is 3:2. At the end of year, each saves 1600 rupees. Then income of A is, listen here, the ratio of income of A and B is 5:4 and their expenditure is 3:2. At the end of year, each year saves 1600 rupees. Then the income of A is, yes my dear, can you tell me what is the income of A? Income of A? Yes, tell me what is income of A? The ratio of income is 5:4. I will give you a trick later. First you try this. I'll give you super duper trick. I'll give you super duper trick, my dear. That is later. Now you just get the answer first. Yes, can you do it? Okay. Now listen here. Anyone get the answer, my dear? Please look at this. Now I'll do it. For example, let us use trial and error method. See, the income ratio A and B is 5:4. Okay, and the expenditure ratio is 3:2, and saves 1,200 rupees, 1,600 rupees. That means what? 1,600 rupees means, you understand, na? After expenditure, whatever income he is gaining, from that expenditure is removed, and the remaining amount is 1,600. That is what is saving amount. For example, trial and error method. I don't want to try 3,400 and all. I'm going to start from 3,600. Why you are ignoring 3,400, sir? Because ratio is 5:4. 3,400 is looking odd. So let me go for 3,600. So if A's income is 3,600, can you tell me what will be B's income? What will be B's income? A's income is 3,600. What will be B's income, my dear? Can you tell me what will be B's income? Yes, B's income is going to be what? Tell me, my dear, what will be B's income? Simply what you do, 3,600 divided by 5 you do. How much it is? 720. 4 into 720. That is what B's income. Then from there 1,600 to be eliminated. Okay. Yes. Okay, 1,600 to be eliminated. Are you getting option B, my dear? Is it 3,600? Are you getting 3,600? How much you are getting? Tell me, my dear. 3,600 or 4,000? What is your answer? Can you tell me what is your answer? What is this? Okay. Fine. Sorry. See, let me try. See, let me try 4,000 rupees. Okay. 5:4 ratio. 5:4 ratio. That means 800 rupees. The second person will be getting 3,200 rupees. Okay. Second person income is 3,200. First person is 4,000. Second person is 3,200 rupees. Now, how much he is saving? 1,600 minus 1,600. Subtract this. You are going to get 2,400 and you are getting 1,600. So 2,400 and 1,600. 3:2 ratio. Sir, 4,000 is getting satisfied, sir. 4,000 is satisfied, sir. I will tell you once again, my dear. 3,600 is not getting satisfied. I am taking 4,000. A's income is 4,000. For example, A's income is 4,000. If A's income is 4,000, B's income is going to be 3,200. Sir, how did you get this 3,200, sir? 4,000 divided by 5, which is equal to 800. So 800 is a common multiple. 5 into 800, 4,000. 4 into 800, 3,600. This is my income of A and B. Now, 1,600 rupees. Remove the savings from here. You are going to get 2,400. This is your expenditure. Here 1,600. This is your expenditure. Now, what is the ratio between the expenditures? Sir, 3:2, sir. That's it, my dear. The ratio between the expenditure is what? 3:2. Okay. Yes. Next, the mean proportional between 12x square and 27y square. Very simple question, my dear. Square root of 12x square into 27y square, which is equal to xy. 12 into 27 and its square root. Can you please find the answer? 12 into 27 and its square root. 12 into 27 and its square root. Yeah. 12 into 27 and its square root. We get 18. Are you getting 18xy? Are you all getting 18xy? Option A. Option A. Next, there is a problem with the question, my dear. This one actually, log of log of log of 256 to the base 4 to the base 2 to the base 2 plus 2 log 2 to the base root 2. This is the question. Okay, there is a mistake. Okay, there is a mistake in the question. Okay, so log 256 to the base 4 to the base 2 to the base 2. Okay, now this 256 can be written as, for example, 4 cube is 64. 4 power 4 is 256. Is it nothing but 4 power 4? Now this 4 will come here. So log 4 to the base 4. This is nothing but 1. So log of 4 to the base 2 to the base 2. This 4 can be written as 2 square. Now 2 will come here. So log 2 to the base 2, log 2 to the base 2. So this entire value is going to be 1, my dear. Now this one, let me write neatly. Look at this. The question is log of 256 to the base 4 to the base 2 to the base 2 plus 2 log 2 to the base root 2. Okay, please listen this very carefully. Now simply what you do, this 256 can be written as 4 power 4. Okay, so this 4 will come here and here one more 4. So what is this? Log 4 to the base 4 is equal to 1. Now this log 4 to the base 2, this 4 is nothing but 2 square. 1 2 will come here. So log 2 to the base 2, this is also 1. And again this 2 has come. This is also 1. 1 into 1 into 1. This is 1 only, plus 2 log 2. This root 2, please write it as 1 by 2. Okay, now you know the rule. Sorry, pen is not working. See, everything is happening at the same time. What to do? Now listen here. Log 2 to the base 2 power half. Now this half also we can get it here, my dear. Simply what you are going to get, Oh, it's not working. Wait, my dear. Okay, 1 minute. Let me try this. Okay. What's up? Link earlier. See, that's what no one joined today. Guys, 2 minutes, please give me some time. I think this is not working. Wait. Sorry. Give me 2 minutes, please. Yes, Gaurav, nazar lagi. Please give me 2 minutes. Please give me 2 minutes. Today the link also not shared properly. Okay. Mesh of central tendency. And the link on the charge out. Yes. Okay. So, which is equal to 1 plus, say remember, log a to the a power m can be written as m log a. Same way, log a power m to the base b power n can be written as m by n log a to the base b. So similarly, this is 2 divided by 1 by 2. This power will come here. Log 2 to the base 2, which is nothing but 1. This 2 will goes to numerator. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Our answer is 5. Okay, our answer is 5. Now, I think this is a famous question. Everyone will be able to give the answer. What is the answer for this? What is the value of x power b by x power c? What is the answer for this? Can you tell me what is the answer for sum number 4? I think everyone can give the answer for sum number 4. What is the answer? Sir, it's a cyclic with a negative sign. Yes, it comes in index. Therefore, the answer is 1. Actually, 0 should come. That 0 is in index. Therefore, answer is 1. Now, a number consists of 2 digits. The digits in the tens place 3 times the digit in the units place. Digit in the tens place 3 times digit in the units place. That means either option B or option C, even option D also from the first condition. Because from the first condition, digit in the tens place is what? 3 times the digit in the units place. Now, if 54 is subtracted, of course, my dear, if 54 is subtracted means the number must be more than 54, either B or C. Then the digits are reversed. Okay, let me try with this. Are we getting 39? Yes, therefore our option is C. Next, a person purchased 2 apples and 5 bananas at the cost of 90 rupees. Later, he visited another shop where the shopkeeper told him that if you give me 50 rupees and 1 banana, I can give you 3 apples. So, 3 apples, because apple we are taking it as x, 3 apples is equal to 50 rupees plus 1 banana. Am I right, my dear? 50 rupees plus 1 banana. So, sorry, banana is y. So, is it 3x minus y is equal to 50? Now, find the cost of 1 apple and 1 banana. Can you please find out? Use trial and error method. Use trial and error method. What is it? 15 and 10. So, 30. Okay, not happening. 10 and 15. Not happening. 10 and 20. No. 20 and 10. Yes, sir. 2 into 20, 40. 5 into 10, 50. 90 rupees. 3 into 20, 60. 60 minus 10 is 50 rupees. Option D. Next, if one of the root of the equation x square minus 3x plus k is equal to 0 is 1, then the value of k. Such a wonderful and simple question, my dear. Put x is equal to 1 in this. 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k equal to 0. Can we say k equal to 2, my dear? Put x is equal to 1 in the question and you will get the value of k. K is equal to 2. Now, if one root of the cubic equation is 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3 is minus 1 by 3, then the other roots are 3 and minus 1. How? I will give you one shortcut if you want. Do you want a shortcut? You want a shortcut? Yeah, please listen here. One root is given as minus 1 by 3. We need to find out the other 2 roots. I'll give you one shortcut. Super duper shortcuts. Note it down. If sum of coefficient is 0, then one of the root is plus 1. If sum of odd terms coefficient plus, that is sum here, and even terms coefficient, then One of the root is -1. This one trick you remember, my dear. Okay, here what happens? Add all the coefficients. 3 -5 -11 -3 not equal to 0. So 1 cannot be the root. So therefore option A and option E not possible. No need to check -1 because both having -1. So no need to check for -1. Now either 3 or -3, any one of these two. Check. Substitute 3 here. 3 into 27 minus 5 into 9 minus 11 into 3 minus 3. So minus 81 minus 45, sorry 81 minus 45 minus 30 minus 33 minus 3. Sir, satisfying, sir. So our answer is option B, my dear. B the na? Option B. Next, the shaded area is, why option D you people are giving? +3 only we are getting. Now, shaded region, what is shaded region here? Look at this, I hope you know the shortcut. A line is passing through the origin and the region is towards x-axis. When the region is towards x-axis, x is more than y. And when the region is above the line, the region is towards non-origin side, then obviously that is away from the origin, then this equation is more than 0, more than something. Okay, which are the equation having x more than y? X more than y, sir, option A and option B. X is more than y because 2x more than y we are getting. So first condition. Next, which inequality having more than? Sir, this inequality and this inequality having more than, but here what is given? X plus y more than 6, x plus y more than 6, 2x minus y greater than 0, and here also 2x minus y greater than 0. I think option A and option D one and the same, but remember there is a problem here. X is more than 0, y is more than 0, only this condition satisfied, therefore option A. And I told you, whenever there is a dietitian problem comes, all the inequalities will have greater than or equal to sign. So no need to check the question only, directly mark option C. I told you now, whenever there is a manufacturing sum, manufacturing problem, all the inequalities will have less than or equal to. Diet problem, all the inequalities will have more than or equal to. Here I am not reading any question, my dear. By looking at the question is dietitian problem, therefore I just marked it as more than or equal to option C. Next, the sum required to earn monthly interest of 1200, 18% per annum simple interest. Yesterday only we did this sum. 80,000 rupees was the answer. Next, the compound interest on 40,000 at 12% per annum compounded quarterly for 6 months. See, compounded quarterly, that means this will become 6% for 6 months. In 6 months there are only 2 quarters. Simply you do 40,000 plus 6% plus 6% minus 40,000. Okay, what is the answer? Give me the answer. 40,000 plus 6% plus 6% minus 40,000. What is the answer here? 40,000 plus 6% minus 40,000. Hey, quarterly. Arey, what I did? 3% ma. Arey yaar, Sheik. 3% plus 3%. 40,000 plus 3% plus 3% minus 40,000. Oh, you are telling that only 3%, 3%. See, I did not notice that only. So now what is the answer? 2436. Next, a certain rate of interest per annum, the difference between the compound interest and simple interest 3 lakhs for 2 years is 480 rupees. Find the rate of interest. See, What is the difference between simple interest and compound interest for 2 years? Pi square. It is clearly given Pi square is equal to 480 rupees. That is 3 lakhs. I square is equal to 480. So what is I square equal to? 480 divided by 3 lakhs. So 480 divided by 3 lakhs. Yes. And its square root 0.04. Our answer is 4%. Now, the value of machine depreciates every year at the rate of 10% per annum on its value at the beginning of that year. If the present value of the machine is 72,900, the machine worth 3 years ago, use trial and error method. First take option A, minus 10%, minus 10%, minus 10%. What are you getting? If you are getting 72,900, that is your answer. Mostly that won't be your answer. I think 1 lakh may be our answer. Can you check 1 lakh? 1 lakh minus 10%, minus 10%, minus 10%. Are you getting 72,900? Yes. Option C. Next, what is the effective rate of interest when principal amount 50,000 deposited in a nationalized bank for 1 year corresponding to nominal rate of interest 6% half yearly? My dear, we already told you there is no, we already told you what is it? There is no, there is it is principal, it is independent of principal. So therefore simply what you do, you know the shortcut, 100 plus 3% plus 3% minus 100. How much? What is the rate of interest? 6.09. Effective rate is 6.09. Yes. Okay. Now, Kanta wants to accumulate 4,91,300 in her savings account after 3 years. The rate of interest offered by bank is 6.25% per annum compounded annually. How much amount should she invest to achieve her target amount? My dear, simply use trial and error method. Take 4,09,600 plus, actually what is given? Annually only. 6.25% plus for how many years? 3 years. 6.25% plus 6.25%. If you are getting this amount, then it's okay. Otherwise, what exactly you are getting? Can you please check and let me know? Yes, can you please check and let me know? Huh? 4 lakh? 4 lakh? Ah, okay. This is not the option. Na? 4 lakh 91,000. Achha, you got it? So option A only? Very good. Option A. Next. Mr. X makes deposit of 12,000 rupees in a bank where the amount doubles at compound interest in 5 years. Then what will be the total amount he will have after 20 years? Now, listen here. 12,000 amount doubles at the rate of 5 years. Okay, 5 years. Then what will be the total amount he will have after 20 years? That means deposit 12,000, amount becomes 24,000 after 5 years. So P into 1 plus I whole power n. So cut, 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 cut. So which is equal to 24 by 12 is 2. So 1 plus I whole power 5 is equal to 2. What is 1 plus 5 is? 1 plus I is fifth root of 2. You know how to calculate fifth root of 2? 2 13 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 minus 1. Correct na? 13 times square root minus 1 divided by 5 plus 1 into equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what you are getting? Fifth root of 2, what you are getting? We are getting 1.4148. So approximately 1.148 something. So we can take 1.15. So what is I is equal to 0.15? Maybe 15%. Maybe 15%. Then what will be the total amount he will have after 20 years? So after 20 years, how much amount he will have? So amount is equal to P into 1 plus 0.15 whole power 20. Can you calculate, my dear? 1.15 into equal to power 20 into 20,000, sorry, 12,000. It is approximately coming around 1,92,000 rupees. Option D. Approximately 1,92,000 rupees. Okay. See, earning per share. Yesterday only we did. This question is nothing but CAGR only. Okay, CAGR only they asked me to find out. What is CAGR? You know it, right? CAGR. Compound annual growth rate. What is it? Nth root of. What is here? Nth root. Total how many years? 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth root of final amount divided by initial amount minus 1. Can you get the answer, my dear? Can you get the answer? 90 divided by 40 double time square root minus 1. Array, mistake. 90 divided by 40 1 2 minus 1. 22.47. Option C. In an account paying interest 9% per year compounded monthly, 200 rupees is invested at the end of each month. What is the future value of this annuity after 10th payment? I told you already, when this value is given, you no need to worry about anything. 1.0075775 minus 1 into 200 divided by 0. Each month. So that means what? 0.075. Can you please find out? 0.75. What is it? 1.0775 minus 1 into 200 divided 1.0775 minus 1 into 200 divided by 0.0775. 200 rupees again. Listen here. Actually, this is 00 only. I missed it. This is the value given, my dear. So simply what you do, minus 1 into 200 divided by 0.0075. Do it. 1. So 0.0775 into 200 divided by 0.0075. 2066. Option B. Now, what is the present value of 1000 rupees to be received after 2 years compounded annually at 10% interest rate? So, what is the present value of 1000 rupees to be received after 2 years compounded annually at 10%? Very simple, my dear. 1000 divided by 1 plus 0.1 whole power 2. So 1.1 into equal to divided by equal to into 1000. 826 rupees. Option B. What is the annual contribution required by any organization to accumulate 20 lakhs in 10 years for the construction of a new manufacturing plant utilizing a sinking fund with an annual interest rate 6% compounded annually. See, when this amount, this bracket is given, simply what you do, multiply this number with this 20 lakhs. That's it. No need to worry about the calculations and all. Multiply these two. 13.180785 into 20 lakhs. Get me the answer. Get the answer, my dear. 13.180785. What is the answer? 21st. 26. How it is possible? Oh, sorry. My bad. Here future value is given. 20 lakhs divided by 13.180785. When annuity amount is given, multiply. When the sinking fund is given, divide it. 20 lakhs divided by 13.180785. Today so many issues are happening. Hello. 151736. Option A. An investor intends to purchase 3-year 1000 rupees bond value. Yesterday only we did. I hope you remember. Option B. A loan of 16,550 rupees is to be paid in 3 equal annual installments, compound interest. A value of annual installment, if the rate of interest is 10% per annum is, see, a loan of 16,550 rupees. That means present value 16,550 is equal to A by I, 0.1, 1 minus 1 by 1.1 whole power 3. Can you get the answer, my dear? 1.1 into equal to divided by equal to minus 1 divided by 0.1 divided by equal to into 16550. I get 6654. So 6655. Now, a perpetuity has cash flow 625 rupees and required rate of return 8%, and the cash flow is expected to grow at the constant rate of 4% per year. Then the instinct value of the perpetuity, very simple, my dear, 625 divided by 8% minus 4%. Tell me what you are going to get. 625 divided by 4%. 15625. In a class of 4 boys and 3 girls, they are required to sit in a row such a way that no 2 girls sit next to each other. Compute the how many different ways they can be solved. Combination. 4 boys and 3 girls, permutation. They are required to sit in a row in such a way that no 2 girls can sit next to each other, which is nothing but there is no constraint for boys. Available places for girls is 5. So out of 5 places, 3 girls to be arranged. So 24 into 5 into 4 into 3. Tell me what is it? 24 into 60. 1440. How many total combinations can be formed of different counters marked as 1 to 8, taking 4 counters at a time, there being at least one odd, one even numbered counter in each combination. Listen here. We have to take 4 combinations. Very important question. So let me go a little slow here. 4 combinations I have to select. Okay. And each combination should have one odd or one even. What I am doing is, let me find out total number of combination with all the constraints. Okay. Everything is included. Minus no odd number. No odd number. 4C 4 minus no even number. Again 4C4, because there are 4 odd numbers, 4 even numbers. Calculate what is 8C4 is. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 70. 70 minus 1 minus 1, 68. That's it. 68 is the answer. In a party, every person shakes hands with every other person. If there are 105 handshakes in total, find the number of persons in the party. Very simple, my dear. For a handshake minimum, how many people needed? 2 people. So simply NC2 is equal to 105. I feel 15. 15 C2 is 105. Option B. Okay. A selection is to be made for one post of principal and two posts of vice principal amongst the 6 candidates called for the interview. So total 6 candidates. Only 2 are eligible for the post of principal. So 2 people are principal. While they all six eligible for the post of vice principal. The number of possible combinations for the selection is the same question we did when we were doing permutation combination. Okay, sure. Now, so principal can be elected in 2C1 ways only, whereas vice principal 5C1. Am I right? Oh, sorry, 5C2 or 2 vice principals. 5C2. Total answer is 20. Sir, why 5, sir? Because out of 4, only 2 are eligible for principal. So out of 2, 1 principal selected. But remaining all 5 are eligible for vice principal. So among 5, I have to select 2 vice principals, which is 5C2. A roadside tea stall mentioned borrows 9,000 rupees at 2.76% simple interest per annum. The principal and the interest are to be paid in 10 monthly installments. If each installment is double than the preceding one, find the value of the last installment. Yes, a roadside tea stall merchant borrows 9,000 rupees at 2.76% simple interest per annum. The principal and the interest are to be paid in 10 monthly installments. If each installment is double than the preceding one, find the value of the last installment. Anyone give the find the last installment? It is actually geometric progression. It is geometric progression. You ignore these things. Okay. So 10 monthly installments. Actually, what is it? It is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus, sorry, 8 plus. This is the way. There is powers of 2 only, my dear. So answer is 2 power 11 should come. Sorry, 2 power 12 should come. Total how many installments? Okay, 10 only, na? So 1024. 2 power 10. Now, this is actually GP. If for an infinite geometric progression, first term is A, common ratio is R, the sum is 8, and second sum of infinity is 8, and the second term is 7 by 8. Then, question is little awkward. Okay, then A and R value they ask you to find out. Okay, take option C. 7 minus 1 by 8. First term is 7. Second term is 7 by 8. Then only common ratio will become 1 by 8. What is 7 minus 7 by 8? Not happening. So A is not possible. Can you please check? Yes, infinity. Yes, infinity is equal to, correct only. Option C. A by 1 minus 1 by 8. So 7 by 7 by 8. So 8 will go to numerator. So option C is the right answer. Now, the numbers x8y are in GP, the numbers xy8 are in AP. The values of x and y respectively shall be. Simple, my dear. I feel 16, 8, 4. Option A. X is 16, y is 4. So 4, 16, 8 possible. Sorry. 16, 8, 4. Can we check it? And the numbers are in AP, GP, AP. So 16. Oh, we need to check. Huh? Only AP is coming now. Let us check. Nirmala, which is already uploaded now. It is not yet uploaded. For example, 4, 8, 16. It is in GP. Okay. But 4, 16, 8, not in AP. There is some issue with this question, my dear. GP is satisfying, AP is not satisfying. No number is satisfying AP. Okay. If fourth term of AP series is 0, then what is the ratio of the 25th term to 11th term? So which is given T4 is equal to 0. That means A plus 3D equal to 0. Ratio of 25th term and 11th term. A plus 24D divided by A plus 10D, they ask you to find out. Okay, the fourth term of AP is 0. That means A plus 3D is equal to 0. Then what is the ratio of 25th term to 11th term? So 25th term is A plus 24D and 11th term is this one. So simply what we can do, A is equal to minus 3D. Substitute, my dear. Minus 3D plus 24D divided by minus 3D plus 10D, which is equal to 21D divided by 7D. So answer is 3. A is 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. Fine. Check. Is it reflexive? Yes, sir. It is reflexive. Not symmetric, of course. Reflexive, but not symmetric. Option B. This one also we did, it seems. F of x is x square plus x minus 1. 4 times f of x is equal to f of 2x. This is f of x. What is f of 2x is going to be? Wherever x comes, replace it as 2x. So 4x square plus 2x minus 1. Now equate 4 times f of x square plus x minus 1 is equal to f of 2x. 4x square plus 2x minus 1. Open the brackets. 4x square plus 4x minus 4. 4x square plus 2x minus 1. Cut, cut. 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 2. Option A. If a set contains n elements, then total number of proper subsets 2 power n minus 1. This and all we have done so many times. A town has total population 50,000, out of which 28,000 read newspaper X, 23,000 read newspaper Y, while 4,000 read both the newspapers. The number of persons not reading any newspaper, very simple, my dear. 50,000 minus 28,000 minus 23,000 plus 4,000. Tell me what is the answer? Tell me what is the answer? 22,000. I think 3,000 is the final answer. Am I right? 22 minus 1,000 plus 4,000 minus 3,000. Sorry, 3,000 is the answer. Next, if x power y into y power x is equal to 16, then what is the value of dy by dx? Look at this. What is it? X power y into y power x is equal to what? 16. 16. We need to find out dy by dx. We need to find out dy by dx. Now look at this. Apply log. log of x power y into y power x is equal to log 16. So log x power y plus log, this is not math students cup, non-mathematics students cup of tea, okay, which is y log x plus x log y is equal to log 16. Now differentiate y UV rule 1 by x plus log x into dy by dx plus x 1 by y dy by dx plus log y is equal to 0. Now value of x and y is given. What is value of x and y? 2 comma 2. Directly you substitute here. 2 by 2 plus log 2 dy by dx plus 2 by 2 dy by dx plus log 2 is equal to 0. 1, 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Take dy by dx outside. What is remaining? Dy by dx outside 1 plus log 2. Then rest you take it to other side, minus of 1 and log 2. Sir, get cancelled. Answer is minus 1. Option A. Of course, this is going to be a little complicated for you for non-mathematics student, but for mathematics students it's a cakewalk. Let me check, Nirmala. X is equal to 80 square, y equal to t cube. So simply you find, first you find dy by dx. What is dy by dx is? Differentiate this. 3t square. What is this? 2t. Cancel. So which is equal to 3 by 2t. Now they ask you to find out d square I by dx square. Okay. Which is equal to 3 by 2 into, this will become dt by dx. We know what is dx by dt. Dx by dt is equal to 2t. So dt by dx is equal to 1 by 2t. Simply you substitute 3 by 2 into 1 by 2t, which is equal to 3 by 4t. Of course, non-mathematics students, again this may disturb you. Log x to the base e integral of, I think this one I did in the classroom. Keep x outside, log x minus 1. This is what I told you, plus c. But in none of the options are like that, sir. No, it is there. Is it log x? 1 can be written as log e. So x into log a by b plus c. This is the answer. Next, evaluate the following. Integral of 1 by x into x power 5 plus 1 dx. Of course, lengthy only, not that simple. Okay, well, it is not that simple. It is lengthy only. I don't support. See, we should know when to say no. In this case, you should say no only. Even I am also not going to do it because it is waste of time only, because such a lengthy problem it is, and it will kill your time only, my dear. In the examination also, this type of question comes, we need to eliminate this. Okay, we need to eliminate this. In the examination, you are not supposed to do it. My dear, I will be uploading this question paper. What you have to do is, tomorrow I will be continuing with what? Logical reasoning and statistics. Logical reasoning and statistics tomorrow evening I am going to do. So what from this question paper, what I am telling you is, please, before you come for the lecture, please solve 41 to 100 on your own and attend the session. Is it clear, my dear? So as I told you, today I am doing only maths part. Tomorrow only I am doing logical reasoning and the statistics part. Okay? Yes. So I don't think tomorrow I will send the proper message. I will ask them to send the proper message, because everyone is messaging me. No one is properly joined today. Let's see, tomorrow I'll ask everyone to join. Okay. So today let us wind up the session, my dear. So thank you so much. In spite of all the disturbances, you people stayed for me. Thank you so much. We'll meet tomorrow. I'll sort out all the issues and we'll start tomorrow. Okay. Thank you everyone. Bye 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 bye. Good night, sweet dreams.